Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this lovely Ford Fiesta 1.0T Turbo EcoBoost Titanium 5-door. Now this vehicle is currently on 23,863 miles and it's finished in the colour Deep Impact Blue. It does have 7 service stamps in the book, including Ford and independent garages. If you'd like more information, please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now take a look around the vehicle here. Starting at the front, you do have your LED daytime running lights that complement the vehicle throughout the day. You've got very nice chrome detailing on the front grille, your 16-inch alloy wheels there, your indicator integrated into the door mirror. You also have rear privacy glass as well, giving you nice privacy to the rear. Take a look inside to the rear now. You do have a lovely cloth interior. You've got nice two-tone cloth effect, and you do have your ISOFIX points on the outer seat, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. And overall, you do have a nice amount of space here for rear passengers to travel comfortably. You have a 12-volt socket there in the centre as well. Heading round to the rear now, you'll find your Fiesta EcoBoost badging on the tailgate. Let's go ahead and open up the boot. You can see you do have a nice amount of boot space here. You can fit a weekly shop in there very easily. You do have some storage compartments on either side of the boot. Some tethering points as well, so you can tiny loads down if you need to, if you don't want things to move around freely in the vehicle. Up top you will find a handle allowing you to easily close the tailgate. Moving around now, let's go ahead and take a look inside here up front. You do have your leather multifunction steering wheel there. You've got a nice silver finish on it as well. And round to your front seats. You do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. There's an armrest there in the centre console as well, so you can travel comfortably and even store things away in the storage compartment as well. Now that we've had a look around, I'm now going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this Ford Fiesta has to offer. And starting on the driver's door, you will find your electric mirror adjustments that include folding. With the folding, you can quickly fold the mirrors in and keep them nice and protected, which is super handy, for example, when parking on narrow roads, as you can prevent them from being knocked off by other road users, as they do tuck nice and tightly into the vehicle. You have your front electric window switches on there. You do have your automatic headlight switch here on the dashboard, so when set to auto you don't have to worry about turning them on. They will turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road and not lose concentration. Your wiper stalk there behind the right of the steering wheel, and here on the right you'll find your cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys, as it means you don't have to keep your foot held on the accelerator the whole time, and it does allow you to arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less strain in your foot. Super ideal if you're frequently on the motorway. To the left here you have your volume controls for the infotainment system. You can change track and station there as well. You've got your indicator stalk there, and at the end of it you'll find your trip button. You've got a small display there in between the dials and the instrument cluster, where you can display different information such as your mileage, your average miles to the gallon as well. Here in the centre you'll find your Sony radio, and at the top of it you'll find your display. On the system you can access radio with DAB, FM and AM radio, and with your DAB you do have nice clear audio quality as it's digital. So if you love listening to the radio you can enjoy it nice and clearly, and it's very easy to find and tune your favourite stations into the vehicle. You can find them easily in the station list. Alternatively, you can connect your own source of audio. You do have USB and auxiliary input. There is also Bluetooth audio as well. You can change between the source of audio pressing the aux button. You do have a CD player as well. And you also have your phone here, where you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, so you can keep up to date with whoever you need to, and it ensures you don't miss any important phone calls as well. You do have the option for importing your contacts into the vehicle, so you can call whoever you need to very easily. Down below now you will find your door locks, and underneath this you have your hazard lighting as well. Underneath here you'll find your air conditioning, which is very straightforward to use. You've got your fan speed to the left, your temperature at the right, and in the centre you'll find your buttons for changing the direction of airflow. You do have buttons for defrosting the front and rear windscreen. You've got a heated front and rear windscreen, so you can defrost those very easily. You've got a 5-speed manual gear selector there. Thanks for watching this video on the Ford Fiesta 1.0T Turbo EcoBoost Titanium 5-door. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.